He just wants me to chase him. This is what he does. You dropped it. Come here. Now I got the power. Hey! I dropped it. All right, you ready? You ready? Go! You scared to bring it down? Okay, fine. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. This hair is giving me a headache. Ugh. All right, I'm just gonna tie it low. Like, I want my hair to look cute at the gym, but that's not always the case. By the way, I am still wearing my sweatband, which is the pink part up here. This makes you sweat so much in your stomach area. They sell it for thighs and they sell it for arms. I have the arm ones, but I never wear it just because it looks so bulky and weird. It looks really weird. I think if I work out at home, I'll wear it because I looked up some arm workouts on YouTube, so maybe I'll wear it at home. But I always wear my band. I even wore it for yoga. And you sweat so much in your stomach area. I swear it's made such a huge difference for me. Max, get out of there. Max. He likes to go in the bathroom and just lay on the rug. But yeah, it's made such a huge difference. It's from a brand called Sweet Sweat. You can buy it at Vitamin Shop. I think you can buy it at GNC. And you can order it on Amazon. I ordered mine on Amazon just because the store that had it by me, they only had medium. And they come in different sizes. So I used the small one, which is perfect. I could even get away if they had an extra small, which I don't think they do. I would probably switch to that. Excuse me. Let's go work out. Whenever I go to the gym, I don't use my Louis bag. I still use my black backpack because I don't want it to get dirty or stolen at the gym. So I just throw my wallet in here, my Apple AirPods, and my water bottle. This is all I use at the gym. I really only need my water bottle and my headphones. I love these. These are the best thing ever. I'm gonna go meet Nadia for lunch right now. I went to the gym and I had to shower, obviously, but I washed my hair too, so I'm like going to the mall with like dripping wet hair. Hopefully it dries in a decent way because I didn't really put any product in it. And I am starving. We're pulling up to Nadia. Hi. Oh. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Do you want to see what they have at the Nordstrom Cafe?
Yeah.
I haven't seen Nadia in a while.
Hi, I look so pale.
It's my camera. You actually don't look that color.
Oh, I'm like,
it makes you look a little.
Am I that hungry?
Oh, my hair looks. Whoa. So many cute things at Zara. I bought a little top for my trip, and I bought hoop earrings, guys. I'm gonna make hoop earrings happen for myself. And Nadia
She's gonna have a hoop earring moment.
I'm gonna have a hoop moment. Oh. Walking into PetSmart right now. I have to get Max. Well, I'm gonna try and see if I find a really nice comfortable bed for him because you guys know I'm training him to sleep in his own bed, which he's been doing, but that bed that I have for him isn't that comfortable. Like, I compared it to my bed. Obviously it's not gonna be the same as my bed, but I think he needs something with a little more cushion. So let's see if we find it in the store. This is the food that I get him. This one, it's by Neutral Ultra, and I get him the small breed adult, but I'm trying to see if I get a bigger bag because he goes through the little one really fast. All right, I'm just gonna get this one because I can't find a bigger one. Looks like they're out. Look at all of the bed options. I'm literally just gonna start touching all of them and seeing which one would be good for Max. Oh my god, this one actually looks cute. Oh, that looks so comfortable. What the heck is this? Okay, I don't know what that is. This one looks so comfy. Okay, I'm gonna check them all out. So far, this is my pick. Let me check some other ones out, but I think I'm gonna throw this in my cart because kind of like this one also. This one is the, come on focus, orthopedic gel cuddler. It says help support muscles, bones, and joints. I don't know. I don't know which one you would like. I love how big this one is because then he could feel like a little king, which is basically a larger version of that one. I think I might get him that one, and if he really likes it, then I'll also get him this big one in the future. All right, we're going with this one. I hope he likes it. He's exploring the bed. I think it's too small for him. I'm gonna have to go get the bigger one. Look at who's enjoying his new bed. Look at my little angel. I think I'm gonna definitely keep this one. He fits in it just fine. And then I'll get the bigger one later on. But how cute. I got him that little dream pillow at PetSmart, which I thought was so cute. And then I got him this little new toy because he loves getting new toys. I wanted him to get excited over his new bed, even though he was excited, period, to have this new bed. Great, now he's up. But yeah, I like this bed for you, baby. Do you like it? Guys, look how pretty this ring is. It sparkles so much in real life. I got it at Nordstrom. And this is the brand it's by. I was just walking by the jewelry section and this ring caught my attention. Oh, and then look at this. I got this from Zara. And I finally found the perfect hoops. I've been trying to find a pair of thick gold hoops because I don't really like how the super thin ones look on me, and I really wanted a thick pair. And even the quality of these look amazing. I'm gonna try them on, and if I like them, I think I might buy a backup pair. You know, because I wear hoops so much. Good morning, guys. Oh, this looks so bad. It's not even a breakout. I don't know what it is. It's like an actual bump on my skin, but it's not a blemish. But I just don't know what it is. And I was messing with it, trying to squeeze it last night because I thought it was a breakout, and it's very clearly not, and it's really irritated now, and like it got bigger and it hurts. So I don't really know. I don't really know what it is. Is it still raining? I'm gonna take Max on a quick walk and then we have to go get coffee. Like, we just have to, it's an emergency. I'm so tired, you guys. This morning I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning to take my brother to the airport. And whatever, I took him to the airport. First of all, I didn't even know it was gonna rain. It was just pouring all morning. It's still raining right now. It's not bad, but it's just raining all day, I guess. And then I got home like almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay up. Like, it's already 8, I'll stay up and I'll start working early. And I laid in bed and I knocked out. My plan was a fail. I fell asleep and I woke up again around 10, and I woke up just exhausted, like more exhausted than when I initially woke up at 5 in the morning. And like, I have a headache right now. It's like right on top of my head, and my eyes hurt. Like, I feel so sluggish, and it just, that totally threw me off. So I'm annoyed because I had like big plans for today of things that I wanted to get done, and now I kind of just feel sluggish. So I think I'm just going to do computer work today. But I am heading to Starbucks because I need coffee. Like, I need coffee. I actually, side note, I haven't been drinking because for some reason you guys really like to know my coffee intake, but hey, I'll let you guys know if you really want to know. I haven't really been drinking coffee every day. It's for the most part during the week. I just get up, and if I'm gonna go work out, I take a little bit of my pre-workout and then I go work out, and that's it. So I don't need coffee in the morning. And then sometimes I'll get coffee after the gym. I just recently started getting coffee more often. And it wasn't even intentional. I just kind of just stopped drinking coffee just because of the way my schedule was working out. But this morning is one of those mornings that I needed so bad. I feel like coffee is gonna be the only thing that takes this headache away, because I have an exhaustion headache. That's what it is. I just haven't gotten much sleep, so that's my story. I just drove to a Starbucks that was a little bit further just so that I can go through the drive-thru, because the one that's close to me doesn't have a drive-thru. This is my mood today. Do the least. That one sip already made me feel so much better. That's all I needed. Hi, can you fill it up regular? Thank you. I know, I look really crazy, but I just did something to my face. And I'm gonna sit down and explain to you guys what the heck I just did. My face is on fire. So normally I shave my face, and I've explained this before, but when you shave your face, like I don't mean like with a regular razor. I use a one single blade razor kind of thing. I'll try to link it below, the ones that I use, because I like to order them from Amazon, because I've never been able to find the exact ones in store. Basically that method just removes like the little fuzz that you have on your face. Like it's super natural, it doesn't really show. Usually it's kind of like blondish, whatever. So your makeup goes on so much smoother when you do that, and it's also just a good exfoliating method. And every time I do it, I forget to do it. Like Maxie, the last time I shaved my face so long ago. Who are you barking at? That being said, I was watching Nicole Guerrero's video the other day. You guys maybe would have seen it. And instead of like shaving her face, she put like hair removal all over her face. I forgot what product exactly she used, but I'll try to remember and link her video. If not, you'll clearly see it on her channel. So I wanted to try that method, because I don't know, I find it kind of easier to just like put the product on your face, and then you can go on about your day, not about your day, just a few minutes, and then remove it. But anyways, I'm babbling now. So I went to the store and I picked up Nair face cream. So this one is specifically for your face, so it is safe for your face. Like I didn't go and pick up like a leg hair remover and put it on my face. I got the one for the face, so it's gentle for your face. And I put it on, but the problem was that I left it on a little bit longer than you're supposed to. You're only supposed to leave this one on for 5 minutes, and I left it on for right under 10. My face is super red right now, which I kind of figured it would be red, because even when I shave my face, I get red. I like to do it at night, that way when I wake up in the morning, I'm not super red and blotchy. But yeah, I just did this. I just literally removed it a few minutes ago, and I washed my face, and my face is just super red, and it's really hot. It doesn't burn, like my skin doesn't burn or anything. It's just really hot. I think I'm gonna pick up like a little ice pack. I might have a little ice pack in my fridge, but I think I'm gonna get like little small ones, so that the next time I do this, I can just put the ice packs on my face, because oh my god, it's just so hot. And by the way, this was not caused by that. Like you guys saw earlier, I woke up with this, like, so that wasn't caused by that at all. I'm just super red. I'll keep you guys posted throughout the day, like on the redness. But for sure, if you're gonna try this, do it at night right before bed, because to be honest, you're not gonna want to put anything on your face except maybe a moisturizer or an oil, because my face feels really hot and sensitive. I wouldn't want to put any makeup on it. So yeah, I'm not gonna put anything on it today. Also, when you're doing this, I applied it with my hands. You could apply it with a makeup brush also. Just be really careful, because it is strong, and like you don't want to get it on your brows or your eyes or like the hair like around your face, like on your hairline, because it will remove your hair. So just be super careful. I was so careful. I literally only put it like from here down. Like I did not want to touch my hairline, just in case. But yeah, just be really careful and follow the directions and do it the time that it says, or even less. especially if you have super sensitive skin. I don't even know if I would try it if I had sensitive skin. But yeah, that's what I did for my face right now. But I will say my face feels extremely smooth. And whenever I do that method of like shaving my face, my makeup looks the best ever. My skin glows. So that's why I like to do it. It's just kind of annoying because I always forget. And I think I'm gonna keep doing this method. Like if my skin is fine after today, like if it's just red, I'm definitely gonna continue using this method. I found it just easier because I get kind of scared with the blade also. Like it's a little irritating. Either way, both methods are irritating. You can see how red it is here now. Like you can see the redness a lot more here. All right, we are just going to ignore this space right now, and I'm actually gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna make a sandwich for lunch. I shared it with you guys on Snap last night, on Snapchat. If you're not following me on Snapchat, go follow me on Snapchat. My username is Mel Flores Glam, but you can find it down below. I made a sandwich last night and it came out so good. I really wanted to have a sandwich. I like sandwiches, I don't know. But I hadn't had one in so long just because like I eat plant-based, so yeah, I just don't really have sandwiches anymore. Like I can't go out and have a sandwich just because they don't offer like vegan cheese and like non-vegan meats or vegan meats. I picked some stuff up from Whole Foods last night. The only bad thing is that when you buy it, I'll show you guys. Okay, so when you buy the cheese and the meat, once you open it, you have to put it away like in a Ziploc or some kind of container that seals it. So I don't have the labels on it. I threw it away last night, but I will post a photo somewhere here, or I'll try to like name it exactly what it was that I picked up in the description box for you guys. But I found everything at Whole Foods. I know you can find these brands also at maybe Target, Giant, ShopRite. So it's not just Whole Foods. But anyways, I picked up Gouda, smoked Gouda vegan cheese, and it's from the brand called Follow Your Heart. I really like that brand for vegan cheese. And then I also picked up Tofurky. Did I say that right? Tofurky? Tofu turkey, whatever. It's like tofu turkey. I don't know the name of the brand, but again, I'll try to link it here for you guys. And then I also got vegan mayonnaise, and this is also from the brand Follow Your Heart. That's what the brand is going to look like if you ever try to pick up like cream cheese or spreads or mayonnaise. And what I like to do is mix the mayonnaise with ketchup, and it makes like this pink sauce and it tastes really good. So that's what I'm gonna put on my sandwich. It's just gonna be whole wheat toast, my vegan cheese and tofu turkey, and then a mix of the mayonnaise with the ketchup, and it comes out so good. I have this like grill and I grill it like a panini, and it's the most delicious sandwich ever. Update on my face, it doesn't feel hot anymore, and the redness is pretty much gone. It's only like slightly red, so it only lasted for like a few minutes, that whole hot redness, maybe like 10 minutes. So that actually wasn't really bad at all. My sandwich is made. I think Maxie smells it because he jumped over here. No, baby, this is for mama. It is so delicious, you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my lunch, and I'm also gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys for joining me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.